Here are some lists of online jobs that you can apply even without experience. The website that we're using right now is onlinejobs.ph. The first position that you can apply is data entry jobs. Here you can see the list of sample jobs that are now available. The second job that you can apply is as a research assistant. Next, you can also apply as a transcriptionist. Next, you can apply as a general admin or a general virtual assistant. Another popular job right now, which is applying as a social media manager. And if you have a good English communication skills and you feel comfortable in speaking to other nationalities, these are the job for you. So the first one is as an English tutor. You can also apply as a customer support. And if you're not that confident with your verbal English comm skills, you can also apply as an email support. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. And please show some love by hitting the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow our TikTok account.